Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to skip the tutorial in Valorant on PC. Let's get started. First, open Valorant on your PC and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in the main menu, you will see an option that says Start the tutorial if your account hasn't completed it yet. Valorant automatically tracks whether you have completed the tutorial. If you see Start tutorial or practice mode, it means the tutorial hasn't been completed yet. Don't worry, there are a simple way to skip it. Click on the Start tutorial button. Inside, look for a skip tutorial or exit tutorial button in the corner of the screen. Click it and the game will confirm that you want to skip the tutorial. Once you confirm, you can exit immediately and go back to the main menu. If the skip button isn't visible, you can simply complete one short tutorial round. Once you finish it, Valorant makes the tutorial complete and you won't see it again. After that, you can jump straight into unrated, spike cross or competitive matches. And that's it, you have successfully skipped the tutorial in Valorant on a PC. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.